apologize. I have never recorded a video in the bedroom. I apologize, but I am limited on spaces where I can do this quick video. So I'm excited. I'm here in Miami. I am getting ready to go interview with Calvin from the Beginners Traders Forex podcast. I'm excited about it. I know that it's going to be great conversation to be had. And I like Miami. I love Miami. It's been amazing. The weather is amazing. The downtown, the central business district is everything, okay? I have had a ball since I've been here, and I'm a little bit sad that I have to leave. But speaking of beginners Forex information, I just wanted to put something together real quick and just share my thoughts around a couple different things that I typically hear from beginners. And so recently, the thing has been in my DMs and my emails and on my YouTube, what do you have to offer me? How can you make me profitable? And I think it's important to nip this in the bud. I can't make you profitable. The only person who can make you profitable is you, right? So I can give you the $1 million play. Y'all probably hear me say this a lot. I can give you the $1 million play, but the only way it's going to work is if you execute it and you implement it, right? That you run the play. I can show you exactly what to do. But even if I show you, you still got to put in the work. So I hate to burst your bubble. Those of you who are out there, I can't make you a millionaire. I can't make you profitable. You got to be willing to put in the sweat equity, put some skin into the game in order to make this thing happen. Okay. So that's the first thing. And then the next thing, someone commented asking about demo. And I just want to tell y'all, there is nothing wrong being in demo. It's the safest place to be. You are trading, hypothetically, you're trading paper money, right? And so you don't have to worry about potentially losing any money if a trade goes bad. It's the best place to mess up in. There is no shame in being in demo. And to share a little secret with you and to be honest, when I have losing streaks, guess what I do? I exit my real account and my prop firm accounts and I go and I demo, right? Until I get my mind back right where I deserve to be in a real account again. So ain't nothing wrong with that at all. And then I know it's some of you out there who are asking about what to do with family as far as, getting them to take you serious. And I can only share my experience. Initially, I think my family and friends thought I was crazy because here Casey comes with another idea. So y'all might not be familiar, but I have always been entrepreneurial mindset. I've always had an entrepreneurial mindset. And I brought some of everything ideas to my family and my friends. And so 6 years ago, I'm sure they were very much and I'm not saying I'm sure, I know. They were like, what she got now? What scheme she got now? And it wasn't a scheme, and it wasn't that I brought schemes to them, but I was always looking for opportunities in order to advance myself. And so I have been a part of multi-level marketing companies, probably about 3 different ones over the years. And when I first approached them about Forex, it was through an MLM. So I'm certain that did not help. But today, they respect what I do because they have seen it work. They have seen the work and the effort and the time that I put forward. They have seen the people that I've met through this industry. And ultimately, they see results. So it's been a win-win situation. I have earned their respect. And they haven't asked to learn how to trade, except my mom. She has said that she wants to learn how to trade. So we started training at the beginning of the year, and then some things came up. And so I'm definitely going to circle back with her on that. But yeah, you gotta be successful at it for the people to respect you. And I know that there have not been the greatest perspectives on the field of Forex. And y'all know my opinion and my view that it's been cheapened over the years. And so it doesn't have the greatest reputation as a result of how it's been marketed in the past. But my opinion is it's a true investment vehicle. that can be used to build your nest egg, to make some money on the side if that's just what you want it to be. It can be whatever you want it to be, simply put. So you decide how you want to shape and how you want to mold that. So y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited for this podcast to come out and for y'all to hear the conversation. We ain't even had it yet, but I know it's going to be great. I know it's going to be wonderful. I know it's going to be awesome. And Miami, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I know you're probably like, you never been spring break? No. I was the nerd. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do anything. And so here later in life, I am starting to experience the world, and I am enjoying it by far. But anyway, I'm not going to talk your head off. As soon as the podcast becomes available, I will make sure that I give you guys access or instruct you how to gain access so you can view it. And yeah, if you're looking for a group of like-minded individuals and you want to learn how to successfully trade this Forex market, make sure that you go ahead and click the link in the video description to join my no-cost Forex Facebook mastermind group. And then if you've been through the charts, you've seen how I mark up charts, you want to know how to do it yourself, make sure you sign up for the mini course. It's free. It don't cost you no money, and I give you the game-winning strategy in that course. All right. So y'all, let me get up out of this bed. I do not like filming in this bed. I will see y'all. I'll see y'all real soon. All right. Have a great day.